Hello everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I just want to do a quick update here. It looks like Yzma has molted, which I'm actually really surprised about because she didn't go off feeding beforehand, she just kind of molted. I am also kind of sad to report that it looks like a lot of the red on her bum has gone away. But there is like a significant amount of like blues and greens that I don't know if they're coming through the camera now that she's gotten all tight and curled up. I can't quite see it as well, but she's got a lot more blues and greens happening on her body than what was happening before. So as sad as I am about the fact that a lot of her red is fading out of her colors, I am actually very happy to see that there are some beautiful blues and greens happening, coming through on her legs in center. So yeah, there it is. Just an update on Yzma. She has molted. You can see her old molt in there. So yeah, baby girl's growing up big. All right, just want to give you guys a quick update on her. You guys take care.